How to sell handmade dollhouses and miniatures on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So for example, in here, as you can see, we have a lot of products and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So for example, let's check one of these product pages like this one, for example. So here in Etsy.com, we call these pages a shop page. As you can see in here, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a shop page exactly like this one, how you can add the pictures of your product, and how you can add the price, the description, the item details, and also this other description, and how to set the shipping and return policies. So we don't have any shipping or return policies in here because it's a digital product. So the digital products have no return or shipping policies. So let's go back to the main page. Let's go up, go to your top right, click on the shop manager button. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here, in order to set your Etsy shop, you will need to go through 6 steps. And the first step is the shop preferences. Then you choose the name of your shop. Then you stock your shop. Then you choose how you'll get paid. You set up the payment or the payment processor. Then you choose the shop's security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here we choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm just going to change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue. Then I'm going to choose a name for the shop. So here, remove the spaces between words and make sure to keep it under 20 characters. So here the name is too long. Let's remove handmade and let's make it dollhouses and it appears like the name is already taken. Let's choose this one. This is a good name. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. You add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So first, before proceeding to adding the photos and details about the item, let's first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields to fill in this step. So here we have the photos. We will need to upload at least one photo. Then we have the inventory. We will need to enter the product's price. Then we have the listing details. We will need to give it a title and fill all of these red fields. And the same thing with the shipping as well. We will need to fill all of these red fields. So let's start from the first step, which is the photos. Add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. So here, make sure to enter a good title for your product. Then you have these 3 questions. So here, make sure to answer them. We start with who made it. You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things? Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then we have the category. So here for the category, let's just type the name of the product. Then we choose the one that fits us. And here we have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product in here, the secondary color, scale, and the occasion as well. Then we have the holiday. So here you choose from one of these holidays. And here we have the renewal options. If you want to choose an automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents, or you want to choose the manual, which is free. Then we have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then we have the description. So here, guys, in order to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it calm. Not sure what else to say. Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. If there are any, you can add them in here. Then for the section tags and materials, you can just skip them for later. They are optional. Then we have the price. So here, let's give it this price, for example. And then we move on to the shipping. So here, as I said in the beginning, make sure to fill all of these red fields with the right information. Then you end with the returns and exchanges. So you can apply the 30 days returns and exchanges policy, or you can choose another one in here, or you can create your own. You can choose what to accept and what to refuse, and you can also choose the time frame. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.